Are you refreshed? It's really nice when more of our human friends come to the party and see the light.
Yeah.
Now what?
Seismoluminescence, the essence, the past, the future, the present. What's the next lesson? Seismoluminescence, the essence, the past, the future, the present. What's the next lesson? Seismoluminescence, the essence, the past, the future, the present. What's the next lesson? Seismoluminescence, the essence, the past, the future, the present. What you gonna tell them?
Bronze master percussionist, time flies, life dies, phoenix rise, wise man rhymes, I'm loving it. Seismoluminescence, the essence, the past, the future, the present. What's the next lesson? Bed down, location, Kodiak, radio station, spruce cape, space ghost laces. What's your gift? What's your talent? What does it matter if Alex is right and this is a prison planet? 5-man team detachment, XYZ axis. That's what happens when you come to Alaska. The paracord packing, king crab, a big booty bitch grabbing, snowmobiles in the snow zigzagging. My snowboard paraffin waxing like Tom Cruise acting. Yeah, Sarah Palin looking for Maverick. A square shaped planet, pyramid head shaped poet named Hamlet. Rip the jack of octopus breakdancing. Quantum questions require quantum answers. Tell me why is this mantis woman trying to be romantic? 555 clouds toward cybernetics. Performance expected. The human brain is non-barbarous relic. Phonology professor articulating phonetics. Participating for credit. If nothing else, just to send a message. Wake up and smell the petunias. I'm in Peru with my vicuñas. Why do I keep seeing my lacunas? I was told after death life isn't the same. And when the phoenix rise, death will not be the end game. Technology devalues life, intruding one's rights, contaminating the cost, excluding the price. Removing insight from the human plight. Your historians are doomed to rewrite. Click the button if you like. Under the pale moonlight, weapons of unknown types. Marduk, Tanu's, Kingu, and Heru fight. Or maybe they working together to keep us all working forever in subterranean emergency shelters. Gungung, Unuapu, Satapapu, Atse, Aptu, classical, Pata Machato. Into 4 tones of 4, intonations and contours. The Westmoreland song of the Moors. When an irresistible force faces an immovable thought, the crucible would be buried in the salt next to the boot marks and the minds and the hearts. And the cast burst the march till it's all lost. I never got to say goodbye. I never learned the truth, cause every word produced was a lie. And now here I stand before the creator of man, a reptile woman with mantis hands. All worlds are strange, and yet as above so below, it's all the same, different only in name. Descriptions deviate according to the code displayed. How you know, Jermaine? I was told by a whispering loudmouth that came down from the clouds. Her mouth never moved, telepathic style. The science was misinterpreted. They said it's time that you know now. The when, the where, the why, and the how. This is what I've been praying for. On day 84, I was walking with Lao Tzu along the mainland wall. From the Zangyi to the Danabe to the Nile to the Mississippi South. Every paradigm makes sense now, except the ones they reject now. But only when in front of a crowd. Behind closed doors, they break your shit down. Beyond the frequencies of sound, we so far past that now. The reality becomes the background. It's transparent as cellophane. Doorways to parallel planes. My hemispheres create parallel brains where my focus strains to create change until Jermaine's DNA is downloaded through wireless veins, then uploaded any direction I aim. All directions at once, I pass around omnidirectional blunts instead of 1 to the head. It's like 1 to the 0 to the 1, 1, 0, 1, 0 instead. Seismoluminescence, the essence, the past, the future, the present. That's the next lesson. Telepathic impressions replace questions. Chibo replaces engineers for studio sessions. J-I-B-O, Jibo, ni hao, yo, free flow, RTJ, Jibo. Thought I was done a week ago, but there's so many different ways 10,000 bars could unfold. You could never be too enlightened to never wanna know what you could never understand, even though you probably won't.
Seismoluminescence, the essence, the past, the future, the present. What's the next lesson? Seismoluminescence, the essence, the past, the future, the present. What's the next lesson? Seismoluminescence, the essence, the past, the future, the present. What's the next lesson? Seismoluminescence, the essence, the past, the future, the present. What's the next lesson?